In this video, we're still with the Olso stitch. I will show you how to join on a new length of yarn when you get low, and how to increase and decrease. So I've almost run out of yarn. I need to put a new length on. So I split the yarn on the old and the new. And then wet where it's joined. Some people just use water. I use spit and then just rub quickly for friction and heat. We're using 100% wool, so this will felt together and create one new length. Now, to increase, we pick up our work again. We know that this is the bottom loop, top loop. Long yarn is where it's supposed to be. Tighten it up. Now to increase, you make your stitch. Watch your tail. And then you'll go right back in to the same loop you went in before and do another stitch. So you'll have 2 stitches in 1 loop, which will cause you to increase. Do that one again. Pick a new loop, stitch, and then go right back in again, same loop, and stitch. Now when you are doing a hat or a pouch or whatever you want to be making, it's a lot of trial by fire, trial and error. You'll find out you've increased too quickly, you'll find out you've increased too slowly, you'll wind up with some very interesting projects. Say for example you start a hat and you start at the bottom. As you go up, you want to decrease slowly. So you'll decrease and then you'll do, say for example, 10 stitches, and then you'll do another decrease. This will cause a slow decrease. If you want the closer to the top, you want to decrease faster. So you'll do 5 stitches and then a decrease, and 5 stitches and a decrease. It's all trial and error. Find out what works for you. There's no right, there's no wrong. It's all in your own pattern making. To decrease, you'll take 1, 2 new ones, 2 new loops, and make a stitch. The only time you will take more than 1 new loop is when you're decreasing. When you learn different stitches, it's all going to be back here behind your thumb, which we'll teach you in another video. But to decrease, you always take 2 new ones and make a stitch. And that will tighten everything in. And that is the end of the Olso series. I will be doing another video on how to do the mammon stitch, which is very similar to the Olso, but it is more compact. It's not as elastic.